It's time to do an unboxing. I've never opened this up before, so it's going to be a surprise for all of us. So let's go ahead and open this package. Ooh, a hose, which is pretty standard on all of these. We're probably going to, there's like 99, you're going to get a hose, basically. Let's be honest. Okay, so it has two of these gaskets in here. So let's make sure that we do not lose those. So we've got a hose, two gaskets. We have these things that you twist off the top of these, or you take this off, sorry, and then you twist this, and then it's got a gasket in there. So I'm guessing that those are extra gaskets if needed. So we'll go ahead and put this back on like so. Move that out of the way. Then let's check inside of here. Now this is the actual shower head itself. Maybe I need to bring this out a little bit more. This is the actual shower head. This thing feels sturdy, man. This thing feels pretty sturdy. And it also feels light. Oh, look at that on the back. That's how you change it? That's fancy. Okay. Okay, and then you have your stop here. So it's got your 3 modes here because this is a 4-mode sprayer. So you have your 3 modes here, and then you have your stop here. That's interesting, interesting, interesting. This looks like a hairdryer. This is crazy. I didn't even know that these things poke out like this. That's insane. That's, all right, okay. And then we have our shower head, water hooker, upper thingy, whatever, carrier. I don't know what you call this thing, man. I'm not a shower expert. I'm just some guy from the internet. And let's go ahead and get rid of these over here. And then this is your standard tape that if you need to put it over your hose, like these things, whatever these threads on anything, you just put it over that, and it should allow you to catch those threads. We have an extra washer, I think these things are called, washer here. We've got another extra washer here. And we've got some instructions and a little, instructions, teaches you how, more information about it. And the box fell. All right, and so that's basically what it comes with. So let's put all this stuff back in. We've got our shower head because we're about to go do the installation of this bad boy. We've got the hose. We've got our holder thing. We've got our 2 gaskets. I don't know if they're called gaskets. What are these things called? And we're gonna put all of that stuff in a bag here. We need to look up what those things are actually called. Washer, they call it a washer. A washer gasket. I was thinking of a washer as always being metal, but I guess we'll call it a washer gasket in my opinion. Yeah, so we'll just tighten this up, and that's all of the stuff that it comes with. And now I am going to, in another video, do the installation.